Hello everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can fix Gmail notification not showing on home screen problem in your Android phone. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix this problem. Before I start, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon. Watch complete video and learn how you can fix it. Let's watch the